Hi, once again I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, again we are going to discuss the same series, and that is all about your how to make money. Now, here in this video, again we are going to discuss a new topic, and this topic is all about maintain your own daily saving. How it is possible? So let's come back to let's go back to our childhood. Most of the people, we have already even crossed our childhood, and in childhood, what exactly we used to do, whatever money we supposed to get, and that we are supposed to keep it, or maybe we are supposed to put it in our piggy bank, isn't it? So I hope most of the people even gone through the same even practice when including me even we have even managed a lot of money is over there, because let's say if any guests are coming in the house, or maybe let's say we are going somewhere, even that money we are getting, so everything we are just keeping in the piggy bank. And all of a sudden, if we realize one day that piggy bank is become a very big bank, and that is how we all about even spent our childhood itself. Right now, here, how it is possible? It's a very simple theory. Why I told you this childhood story, even as you already have practiced, all you have done the same way. But here, what exactly we need to do, that is on a regular basis. Now I have to fix for a certain time and certain date. So let's say I'm just giving an example. Let's say today, let's say whatever, let's say a day one, and today onwards I'm going to start. Let's say I'm going to save, let's say 1 rupee, or I'm going to put it this 1 rupee separately, maybe any kind of piggy bank, as I told you, the childhood story, even same way you can start off. So 1 rupee, I'm just going to keep it, and let's say enter this 30 days. Now, it is not as simple as you are looking. You might be thinking, so 1 rupee per 30 days, when it will be 30 days, 30 rupees. No. The habit, what you need to make, that is all about every day, whatever money you are keeping, whatever money you are putting to that piggy bank, or whatever money you are saving to that piggy bank, you have to make it double. You have to make this practice. So let's say I'm just giving an example. So let's say today, day one, I'm just keeping, let's say 1 rupee. Now, what is the double of 1? 2. So tomorrow I'm going to keep it 2. Similarly, I'm going to do it on the third day. Let's say 2 multiply, 2 double of that, 4. Like this, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. Like this, you have to make this money, and you will be strange. It is very strange on a 30 days itself. If you look out, I don't want to give you this surprise over here, because you have a simple mathematics, you have a simple calculator, and there only you can just make it, and you can just yourself, you can make even give this big surprise. You will be having even a huge event corpus. Now, why I'm sharing this story, why I'm sharing this, like, this practice. Most of the people, even they have already, even though we have done even a lot of videos, even still they have the same questions: how to save, what to start, how to start, when I can start, what way I can start, what exactly the money I can put, what exactly the money I should save. Here is the best practice. And what is the practice? You decide. You decide if you can continue even for 60 days, if you can continue for 90 days, if you can continue for, let's say, beyond that. It is all your money. But 1 rupee, the strength of this 1 rupee, if you look out on the 30th day, you will be surprised. I don't want to give you, you can calculate and you can get this money. But as a result, what you are going to do, there are two things again you are going to do. You are going to get, not even going to do, it is going to get. So one way, yes, you can maintain even your own savings habit. Let's say I've not started anything, so now I'm going to start this by 1 rupee, and this is not a matter. That is the first thing. So you will start your own saving pattern. Like as I told you, a lot of queries already you have in mind, so that is already done. Second thing, only for 30 days saving, you can imagine, and this is not only, I'm just talking about any kind of interest, any kind of, it is all your cash money, it is all your like preserved money, I'm just talking. And that 30th day, whatever money you are just going to make it, and that all put together this money. Now you decide where I need to put this money, where exactly I need to use this money. And that is the biggest habit. If you start by 30 days, automatically this practice will be there even for your 30 years also. And that is what you have to start with this simple lesson. We have to start with this simple technique, and you have to start with this simple manner itself, with the simple money itself. Rest all, it's your hard earned money. That's all your plan. That's all your, even like your uh, like expertise, whatever help you are going to take. That's all the products, all the funds, all the even, like I mean, typically if I look out, all the markets are for you only. Where exactly you want to give, what exactly you want to give, which tool you want to use, everything is yours. For that you can get even a lot of help, lot of even financial guiding, financial planning, whatever you want, you can get it. But yes, until unless if you are not even get ready with this practice, and if you don't get surprised, 30 days saving can give you this much big corpus, then definitely you don't need to even look back. You don't need to even take anybody's help. You can be your own even financial planets. So any more questions, any more doubt, I'm always welcome, as I told you. So in your chat box, in your, let's say, mailbox, I'm always welcome. So any moment of time, I'm ready to help you out. Thanks for watching.
Every night I wait. Paradise, paradise seems so far away.